All right, welcome to the beach. Let's go out to the Jacksonville Beach Pier right now. Beautiful beach weather. Remember the sunscreen, a hat, something. Keep the sun off of you because you know the sun comes down from above but below as well. Reflects right off that sand, and that UV index is in that very, very high extreme level, in fact, so you'll burn quickly. 78 degrees, though, on the sand at the moment. Are a cool spot, the place to go chill out a little bit with those southeast winds coming off the ocean right now at 14 miles an hour. And for your coastal forecast, as we look ahead, we will make it up to the mid-80s tomorrow, so a little bit warmer at our beaches. You know, we've been kind of in those upper 70s around the area. Now Friday, just every day kind of ticking that temperature up just a bit. So warmer in the ocean. I want you to notice your surf and your river temperatures right now. So that's starting to warm up too. Still a little chilly in there at first touch. You know, you tip your toe into the ocean water, but it's at 71 now. River temperatures at 74 degrees. So your big weather headlines, you know, beach is a theme. Great beach weekend, certainly. Drought and fire danger worsens, though, as we get to Sunday. A brief improvement early next week, but then it just goes right back to being high just because of how dry it's going to be. With that cold front coming Sunday evening, don't get your hopes up for a lot of rain with this one. Looks like it'll dry out as it crosses our area, so maybe just some trace amounts of rainfall. The big story is going to be the temperature swing, which I'm going to show you in just a moment. But currently, we are in those upper 70s at the beach, 88 for Jacksonville. We did hit 90 a little earlier, and we still got 90 on the board for our friends in Waycross and 89 in McClenny. Your next 12 hours, pleasant evening out there. Mentioned coming to the Jumbo Shrimp, but into your outdoor plans tonight. Once that sun goes down and we lose a lot of that heat, it's just going to be pleasant. Very, very comfortable for some back porch sitting. If maybe you want to have a beverage out on the porch, it's going to feel fantastic. For your Saturday, looking ahead, another degree warmer, 93 degrees, near record heat. And yes, another dry day, good beach day if you're going to make the most of it, or whatever you've got going on outside. If you're going to be sitting at Little League Baseball for an extended period of time, have some kind of shade handy because it's just going to get downright hot. All right, extended outlook. So we are watching that front out to the west. And going to bring a lot of juice to parts of the southeast, but by the time it makes its way here, notice what's happening. It kind of losing a little bit of that moisture. We got dry air, very, very bone dry air behind this front, as well as some cooler temperatures. So we expect those winds to shift out of the northeast once this front crosses us as we get to later in the day and evening on Sunday, but just not in love with all the rainfall. In fact, with your forecast rainfall, as we kind of watch our modeling here and we go out to Saturday into Sunday and into early Monday, lucky to get even a 1/10 of an inch painted on here, but for most of us, it'll be in the hundredths of an inch range, so not enough to bust a drought. Jumbo Shrimp all week long, so we've got 7:05 first pitch for Friday, 6:35 Saturday. We notice we're in those low to mid 80s for you both Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday, 2:05 first pitch will be right at 90 degrees. But then Jumbo Shrimp hit the road. We're going to have temperatures really plummet with those really small, meager rain chances. But really the story Monday, you'll notice those northeast winds, temperatures back in the 70s, but will warm up by the middle and end of next week.